my channel Robotic. Imagine your boss asked you to work on a project. If your boss tells you to create a content or text or image or anything, and it takes actually 4 to 5 days. But if you can do that things in 4 to 5 seconds, how it will be? Yeah, that's possible due to the use of generative AI technology. Sir, what is the meaning of generative AI technology? So in this video, I am going to explain you what are the key skills required to master the new cutting edge technology that is generative AI. If you know generative AI, then there is a big chance that you will be hired in big MNCs like Google, Microsoft, Amazon and all. So sir, what is generative AI? See, generative AI is basically the use of AI tools and ChatGPT. If you involve these tools in your professional career, then there is a high chance that you will be hired today. Because today most of the companies, most of the big MNCs, they are asking for the skill of generative AI. About actually, if you know prompt engineering, if you know generative AI, then if I talk about the average salary, about 47% higher than the normal software developers. So imagine how important this technology, how important these skills has been today. So what are the key skills you required in order to become a generative AI? If you want to develop a skill, if you want to make a career in the field of generative AI, then you must be knowing. So first skill number one, what is mastering Python programming language? Sir, what is the importance of Python programming? As I have already said, Python is a normal, easy and dynamic type programming language. If you know Python programming language, you can implement in through various algorithms. And second thing, if you know data structure, I'm talking about the second skill, data structure in Python, like sets, dictionaries, to work on a large data set and to make optimization tools that actually uses the AI, artificial intelligence. And next one is skill, one of the demanding skill today has been emerged is interacting with AI chatbots. As you know, आपको पता है कि अभी के डेट में जितने भी वेबसाइट हो गए, एप्लीकेशन हो गए, उसमें AI क्या बोलते हैं, चैटबॉट्स का इन्वॉल्व बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. If you know how to interact with AI chatbots, if you know how to prompt that chatbots, actually that is basically automated customer service. चैटबॉट क्या है? ऑटोमेटेड कस्टमर सर्विस है जो आपको किसी भी एप्लीकेशन, किसी भी वेबसाइट में मिल जाएगा. तो इफ यू नो हाउ टू प्रॉम्प्ट दैट AI chatbots, that is one of the demanding skill for the companies looking today. And next skill क्या है आपके पास? If you are knowing how to make API request in Python, application programming interface, API request in Python अगर आपको आता है, then you can work, you can deal with the external data, and you can also increase the model performance and efficiency. एक फोर्थ स्किल हो गया, ठीक है. और जो नेक्स्ट जो है कि इसके बाद जो है कि आपको एक और इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल आपको आना चाहिए, दैट इज ओप्स कंसेप्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग कंसेप्ट इन पाइथन. इफ यू नो ओप्स कंसेप्ट इन पाइथन, then you are able for developing generative AI applications. तो ये जो है कि कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल है जिसको अभी आपको मास्टर करना चाहिए इन टूडेज एरा. अगर आपको ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल आता है, then you are on the path of generative AI technology, which is basically a very advanced technology and very emerging technologies are which are in very demand for today's working professional. So thanks. Let's meet in the next.